Hey everyone, today is Tuesday, September 29th. Today, what you need to do is first check in on campus so that your attendance isn't all messed up. Make sure that you go and check that every day that you are at home. Today we're going to go over concluding statements. So click over here to see the slideshow. So concluding statements are really quick and easy. It's basically wrapping up your paragraph. So this is the part that comes at the very end of your paragraph. It wraps up the entire thing. It's usually a pretty short sentence, and it sounds a lot like your topic sentence. It will sum up what you talked about in the paragraph. So it should remind your readers a little bit about what that paragraph talked about and what your ideas were in the paragraph. When you're writing your concluding statement, make sure that you are not referring to your paper. So don't say, this paragraph talked about blah, 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 blah. Don't refer to your own paper. Make sure that you don't restate the topic sentence word for word. So even though it's going to sound like your topic sentence, it shouldn't be your topic sentence word for word. Don't try to transition here. Transitions should happen in your topic sentence, not in your concluding statement. And then make sure that you don't just skip it altogether, because when you do that, your paragraph is going to feel a little bit unfinished. So today, what you guys need to do is you need to finish your crime scene investigation if you haven't finished that yet. Make sure that you write up your ideas. So who do you think killed Ginger Sprout and why? Make sure that you're trying to use that format that we have. So topic sentence, setup, evidence, tie back, concluding statement. Then make sure that you drop it in this drop box here. I also have a progress form for you to fill out after you're done creating your tiebacks and your concluding statement for your paper. So as we've been going through each part of essay format, I've been asking you guys to create your own paper and your own outline. And that was either on the newspaper article that you chose, or it was on which class is the best, or which is the best way to do school during a pandemic. You guys were supposed to start writing an outline on one of those. So far you should have your thesis done, your topic sentence, your setups, 2 pieces of evidence, and now you should have 2 tiebacks, 1 for each piece of evidence, and 1 concluding statement. So once you're done filling out the rest of your outline for today, I want you guys to go to your progress form here and fill this out. Make sure that you put in your first and last name, because I have some students with the same name, which hour you're in, and then check all of them that you have completed. Please be honest here so that I can get a good idea of where people are at. And then down here, what questions do you have for me so that I can get your questions answered and make sure that I'm helping you in the best way that I can. Submit it when you're done. And then that is all your work for the day. Your completed outlines are going to be due on Friday. So Wednesday and Thursday, we're going to talk about introductions and conclusions. And by Friday, this whole thing, your whole outline should be done. Let me know what questions you have, and have a great day.